Earth is not a gentle mother. It creates life and it destroys it without hesitation. In a human lifetime, the world feels stable. But on Earth's timescale, stability is only an illusion. Today, we reveal the most dangerous natural forces on Earth. It seems brief, yet it is everywhere. Each lightning strike burns hotter than the surface of the sun. It chooses no target, only physics. To Earth, it is a release of energy. To humans, it can be a fatal moment. Water gave birth to civilization, and water can erase it overnight. Floods do not need rage, they only need gravity and time. A volcano is not an explosion, it is Earth breathing. One eruption can darken skies, shift climate, erase summers, and bring famine. No warning, no negotiation. Earthquakes remind us the ground beneath your feet has never been still. In the deep ocean, it is almost invisible. Near the shore, it becomes a wall. Not a wave, but the ocean itself moving toward you. They span entire nations, draining cities of heat, power, and order. A storm is not attacking you. It is simply obeying thermodynamics. This is not weather, not geology. This is the universe intervening in Earth's story. One impact can end a species that ruled the planet for 160 million years. These forces are not evil. They existed long before humans ever appeared. The real danger is not Earth's power, but our tendency to forget how small we are. We call them disasters, but to Earth they are routine. The real accident is believing we ever conquered this planet. Earth's surface looks solid, but it is shattered glass floating on molten rock. When it moves, cities become names. Volcanoes don't need to erupt often. They only need once. Once to darken skies, cool the planet, and starve civilizations. Rivers, rainfall, melting ice, they are the same process. The ocean is reclaiming what it once owned. When wind exceeds the limits of human engineering, order collapses. Not because the wind has intent, but because cities never belong to nature. The deadliest tsunamis are not the tallest ones. They are the ones you don't recognize in time. Asteroids don't care about borders, about species, about readiness. They only care about trajectories. Earth's most dangerous forces were never meant to destroy you. They exist to remind you you are temporary. In human language, we divide the world into safe and dangerous. In Earth's language, there is only motion, energy, and time. We call them disasters only because they happen to us. You don't feel the crust moving because it moves too slowly. Slow enough to tear continents apart. Slow enough to redraw coastlines. After a volcanic eruption, the sky becomes strange. Not dark, but still. The sunlight remains, yet never reaches the ground. Water never rushes to destroy you. It waits until you build cities too low, until you believe concrete can replace geography. You don't see the power of wind because you only see the aftermath. Before rooftops lift, everything looks normal. A tsunami is not a wave. It is the ocean trying to regain equilibrium. Asteroids remind us of one thing. Earth's greatest threats don't always come from Earth. Earth's most dangerous forces are not testing humanity. They simply exist, and we happen to live among them. You believe the world is continuous, day after day, year after year. Earth doesn't work that way. Its history is written in events, and you are living between them. Continents move without sound. They don't need to be heard. By the time you notice, the landscape is already different. What volcanoes leave behind is not lava, but dust that blocks sunlight and futures put on hold. When sea levels rise, land isn't the first thing to disappear. Certainty is. When wind moves faster than language can describe, human technology becomes debris. The ocean is patient most of the time, but when it decides, it does not hesitate. The universe doesn't aim at you, but it doesn't avoid you either. Earth's most dangerous forces are not constant, but when they appear, they define an era. We live in tall buildings, so we believe we stand above. We light up cities, so we think darkness has retreated. Earth never signed these agreements. Earthquakes don't care what you built. They only care if pressure has been released. A volcano may erupt locally, but its consequences circle the entire planet. You can reclaim land, build dams, redirect rivers. In the end, geography always wins. Storms don't just remove rooftops, they remove power, transport order, and your dependence on normal. For survivors, a tsunami doesn't arrive. it suddenly exists. Some species didn't disappear because they failed. History was interrupted. Earth's most dangerous forces don't ask if you're ready. They only ask if it's their turn. Humans are not afraid of earthquakes, volcanoes, or storms. What we truly fear is time accelerating. Natural forces are simply how time reveals itself. Stone moves at a pace slow enough to be ignored. Yet that pace tears continents apart, lifts mountains, and swallows cities. Pressure builds beneath the surface for hundreds of thousands of years. Then, one afternoon, it is released. Water does not come to destroy you. It only completes its path. Floods are decisions made by geography long ago. Storms are brief, but they concentrate the energy of oceans and atmospheres. To geology, a tsunami is a moment. To civilization, it can be an ending. Asteroids do not belong to Earth's time. They belong to cosmic time. When these timelines meet, history is rewritten. Earth's most dangerous forces are not anomalies. They are time moving faster than we can endure. Humanity's greatest mistake is not ignorance. It is underestimation of scale, of time, of ourselves. The most dangerous forces are rarely the most violent. They are the most persistent. Earthquakes, floods, storms do not destroy matter. They redistribute it. Most disasters are not caused by human mistakes. They happen because we stand in the wrong place. We think we need better warnings. What we truly lack is an understanding of Earth-scale processes. Natural forces have no emotions. They are neither cruel nor kind. They are indifferent. Earth's most dangerous forces have never targeted humanity. We are simply standing in their path. Human civilization appears massive. Cities, roads, networks, satellites. But from Earth's perspective, it is only a very thin surface layer. Thin enough that a single natural movement can wipe it away. Earthquakes don't damage the planet. They cause surface failure. Roads crack, buildings fall, systems rupture. Civilization loses its shape in seconds. The most terrifying thing about volcanoes is not fire. It is the removal of the sky. When sunlight is disrupted, every system reacts. When floods arrive, cities lose their boundaries. Streets become rivers. Floors become water levels. Storms don't just destroy buildings. They dismantle power, communication, logistics, and the assumption that life will continue as usual. Tsunamis remind us of one thing. Coastlines are not promises. They are temporary compromises. Other disasters leave survivors. Asteroid impacts leave layers of rock. Earth's most dangerous forces are not dangerous because they are large. They are dangerous because civilization is fragile.